Hello you lovely lot and welcome to a new video. Today I just have a really quick little video of something super self-indulgent that I drew on my day off, and this is one of my D&D characters and his parents. So I haven't made a video about Ez in my D&D series yet, I've only done Vespertine, but mark my words, there will be a video about Ez, and it's probably going to be quite a long video because I have a lot to say about this boy. But yeah, Ez is my half-orc sorcerer that I play in a campaign called Beyond Skeletons, and it is a Ghosts of Saltmarsh campaign with a lot of original elements mixed in. And so we have a little pirate gang, and there's been a lot of ups and downs, there's been a lot of humour, there's been a lot of drama. It's genuinely been really wild in the best way. And this is a moment where he recently returned home to an island called Zephyrist, which is where he's originally from. And basically recently Ez returned there after 7 years away, in which his parents believed he was dead due to a complicated series of events, and part of it was his fault and he should have gone back. But yeah, like I said, I'll explain the whole thing later on. But basically we then had to leave again, and now he's come back for a second time, and so this was a slightly less emotionally charged reunion, but at the same time it was still just really sweet and lovely, and I just wanted to draw it. And so basically Ez's mum is an orc. She is 7'6", she's very big, she's very buff, she is the best and I love her so much. And his dad is a human who is very small and lanky, and that's where Ez got his kind of stature from. He got his height from his mum and his build from his dad. And Brex, which is his mum, whenever she sees him, she picks him up and she spins him around. And I wanted to draw the moment where she spins him around and Yorick, his dad, just runs straight into the back of him because he wasn't ready for it. And I just thought it was cute and wholesome, and I love them so much. This family just makes me so happy, and I thought I'd record it in the hopes that maybe it brings you a little bit of happiness as well. And yeah, our DM has just done a phenomenal job with bringing these characters to life and so many others. So basically I just drew Brex and Yorick and I handed the images over to our DM Sandy with pretty vague descriptions, and he just really brought them to life in the best way. And they are just the most precious family. And Brex in the last session said that she would fight a god to protect her son, and I honestly have no doubt that she would do it, and she is just amazing. Can you tell I'm getting emotional over them again? I just love this family so much, I love this crew so much, and yeah, there's definitely going to be more artwork of them because I'm planning on doing a poster illustration for every one of my campaigns, and then a bunch of other character artwork as well, so expect... How many campaigns am I in? 5? I'm about to start DMing my own campaign as well, so expect artwork from that when I get that going. I'm just kind of getting over my nerves at the moment. But in the meantime, if you would like to know more about Beyond Skeletons, I'll put the hashtag in my description box, and then if you look on Twitter or Instagram, you can find some stuff, mostly Twitter. You can find anecdotes and funny moments from the campaign. It's just been such a roller coaster of a mixture of humour and drama and intense RP and intense combat, and it's just been phenomenal. So I have a lot to say about my D&D campaigns. I just have such a great time and I'm so grateful to be a part of them. So yeah, sometimes I just have an idea in mind of a scene that I want to bring to life, and this was one of them, and there will be a lot more. So I really hope you like it. I did unfortunately forget to press record when I was doing the flatting process, so sorry about that, but personally I think that's the least exciting part of the process. I'm sorry if anyone really likes flatting, but I don't like flatting. So hopefully you still enjoyed the video. This is an example of my simpler colouring style, so I have like a simple one and then I have a complex one on my commission examples, so this one is a lot quicker. And I'm pretty pleased with the end result. I was just trying to get a kind of warm and sunny look without putting too much time into this piece, because it was just something I wanted to do for fun and to relax and to make me happy. So I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you're all doing well out there and staying safe and staying healthy. So thank you so much for your continued support, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!